Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Krishna, wait, beta.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Hare Krishna Mataji. Hare Krishna Mataji. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna, everyone.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji, I think you're in a new house.
I'm in my own house, but my laptop is occupied today for certain reasons.
Wow.
Are you all able to hear me and see me?
Yes, Mataji.
There is no problem, right?
No, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, so laptop is occupied today. I will be conducting the class from instrument.
Not that nice.
Anybody have any problem?
I
Please
am.
let me know. Okay.
Mataji, I'm not able to hear you. Your voice is too low. Oh, not for us.
Not for us. My glasses.
Not for me.
They're mine, not yours.
Haridas, I think it is only at your end problem. You can try to log out and log in again, beta.
Okay, Mataji.
Thank you.
Your hands, you can touch the sky. The sun. Fun.
Shamagori, you're unmute.
Okay. So let's start with our prayers quickly, okay? Om Swayam Rupa Kadamayyam Dadati Padam Vandeham Sadguru
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Hare,
Rama Rama Hare Hare. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Dev ki jai. All little ki jai.
Mataji, you're frozen.
Mataji, I got henna.
You're very bloody too.
Yes.
Mataji, you're blurry.
Mataji, I got henna.
Give me
What else is there? Are they by me?
I want to have the same background.
Okay, good. Is it clear now? I was blurry before.
Mataji,
Yeah, good.
Mataji, I have henna.
Very nice, Shamagori. Very good. So, am I clear or am I still blurry?
You're clear.
You're
Mataji.
clear.
Thank you. Thank you. So, I'm sorry for the inconvenience today because my laptop is badly occupied. I'm not going to get it back for an hour or so. And I have no choice but to take the class like that. So, let's go with verse number. What was the verse number? Does anybody know?
Verse number
9 and 10. Yes.
9.
So
9
let's
and 10 are in
Indriyartheshu vairagyam anahankara eva cha janma mrityu jara vyadhi dukkha doshanudarshanam. So let's see what Krishna is saying. Indriyartheshu vairagyam. Now see, everybody please mute themselves.
Okay, Mataji.
Please mute.
Okay. Okay, Mataji.
Thank you so much. So, Indriya Artheshu Vairagyam means a renunciation in the matter of senses. What Krishna is telling here to Arjuna, let's see in the translation. Krishna is saying, renunciation of the objects of sense gratification.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
So, what is that? Now, you all see, we all have 5 sense organs, main, right?
Yes, Mataji.
Right? See, out of those, tongue is the most strong one, right? As soon as you all see the pizza,
I'm not sure. She said
Pull yourself.
maybe today or maybe tomorrow.
no, right? So,
Mataji, I'm not able to hear you so good.
Because
You're
there
not
are so many background noises.
Yeah, Shama Gauri is unmuted and there's a lot of background noise. So
Shamagori
like,
mute, Avni mute, Krishna mute. Everybody please mute themselves. Thank you. Thank you for your cooperation. Thank you. I think it should be fine now. Nobody unmute themselves, okay? Okay. So, what Srila Prabhupada explains very beautifully that one should become accustomed to this and reject anything which is against the path of spiritual progress. Now, senses are very strong because they are always anxious to have sense gratification. Can you all sit idle for 5 hours? If I punish you all, go for time out for 5 hours. Is it possible? You all will go crazy, right? Literally crazy. You all cannot even handle 1 hour. What to talk about 5 hours? So our senses needs constant engagement, something, right? I'm sure you all cannot even stay hungry for 5 hours. So Srila Prabhupada talks about the tongue. The 2 things tongue does, taste and vibrate, right? Tongue wants to talk all the time and also tongue wants to taste, right? Taste yummy, yummy prasadam, right? So we should always eat some nice prasadam. That's how we can engage our tongue. And also, we should always utilize our tongue in chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Ears, right? Ears want to hear. So instead of hearing some garbage,
Hare Krishna Mataji, this is Shubhadrangi.
Hare Krishna beta, welcome beta. Please mute yourself. Happy to have you. We'll talk later more in the end, okay?
Okay.
So eyes should always hear Krishna Katha, right? Nose should always smell the flowers offered to the deities.
Mataji,
you said
eyes. Yeah, Mataji, you said eyes.
Yes, eyes. Eyes should be used in seeing the beautiful form of the Lord.
Yeah, but Mataji, instead of pointing to your eyes, you pointed to your ears.
Oh,
And
did
then-
I? Sorry. I'm sorry. Thank you for correcting me, beta. So this is how our sense object should be utilized. Now, second part is anahankara. Anahankara means absence of false ego. So our false ego is, oh, I'm Indian, I'm American, I'm fat, I am thin, I'm white, I'm black, I'm this, I'm that, I am smart, I'm poor, I'm wealthy. No, that is false ego. What is the real ego? That we all are spirit souls and we are servants of the Lord Krishna, right? We want to become servant of a servant of a servant of Lord Krishna, right? So the real ego is okay, but false ego should not be there, right? Because we always relate ourselves with the body. So that is false ego. So absence of false ego. Next comes Janma Mrityu Jara Vyadhi. Janma means birth, right? When a baby is born, I know you all think, oh, baby is so cute, so sweet, so nice, let me hold this, that. But when baby is born, the baby is, when he or she is in mother's tummy, they go through suffering. Srimad Bhagavatam explains what a child goes through inside mother's body. Is a lot of suffering. Baby is upside down. Okay, and there are a lot of issues. We will not go in the detail, but Janma is not a very pleasurable thing. Even when the child comes out from mother body, it's a very painful process. So Janma, Mrityu, now death is again another painful process. When a person is dying, he goes through a lot of pain because the soul does not want to leave the body, but soul has to. Then Jara, old age. Have you all seen old people? Right? Sometimes they have body problems, right? Sometimes their knee doesn't work. They have to hold the stick and walk. Eyes become weak, right? They cannot hear properly. They cannot drive. And the last is distress, disease, right? Somebody have like kidney problems, somebody have eye problems, somebody have back pains, right? All these are suffering, right? So as far as, so no one wants to be diseased and no one wants to be old, right? So considering the distress of birth, death, old age and disease, there is no impetus for our making advancement in spiritual life. So one can still make the advancement, right?
Mataji, can I
Okay.
say something?
Yes, say beta.
I'm sorry to interrupt, but you were saying that when a baby comes, it is like painful for the baby. And what happens to the soul inside of the baby? Like,
Soul, actually, to be honest with you, soul never suffers, but because soul is relating with the body, because soul is inside the body, so soul thinks, oh, this is my body, I am the body, so body also suffers, so soul also feels, oh, I'm also suffering. But soul is actually eternally blissful, because all the souls are part and parcel of Krishna. They are actually happy. But of course, soul is entrapped in the body, so body is suffering. So yeah, indirectly you can say the soul is also suffering. Okay, Krishna, 1 minute. Now, the next part in this shloka is dukkha doshanu darshanam. So what is that? Krishna, 1 minute. Beta. Dukkha means distress, problems, right? All these things. How should one be? One should be very equilibrium. One should be in equilibrium in the condition of pleasant and unpleasant events. So that is what is equilibrium. Now next shloka comes. Asaktir anabhishvanga. So what does that mean? Asaktir, wait Krishna. Being without detachment. Now, here Srila Prabhupada talks very beautifully that, let's take an example. I'll give you an example. Okay, so asaktir, being without attachment, and anabhisvanga means being without association.
Mataji, which chapter and which page?
Chapter 13, verse number 10. Putra means for son, Dara means wife, Grahadishu means home, etc. Nityam means constant, Samachitatvam means equilibrium. So here Srila Prabhupada explains very beautifully that as for detachment from children, wife and home, it is not meant that one should have no feeling for this. Okay, like you all have a family, right? Now this is specially spoken for men, or actually for all, that a person should not be attached too much to the family life, like wife, son, daughter, husband, everybody. A person has to do his responsibility nicely, but at the same time, he should not be so much attached that he don't have any time for sadhana. He cannot even chant. One need only chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Eat food offered to Krishna, and have some discussion on books like Bhagavad Gita or Srimad Bhagavatam, and engage yourself in deity worship. So these 4 things make one happy. So one should train the members of his family in practicing Krishna consciousness. So that way the person is not too attached to Krishna, not attached to family life. Why it is meant husband, wife, son, or household family, right? Suppose, that's what it means. And also the next part comes equilibrium, that whether, again same thing, whether they are pleasant situation or unpleasant situation, because this material world someday will be happy, someday will be distressed, but one has to maintain his equilibrium. Okay, so this is what it means by verse number 10. So we will quickly go for verse recitation. Okay, verse number 9. Okay,
What chapter are we in?
chapter 13, beta. Chapter 13, verse number 9. Okay,
Oh, okay.
Everybody has their printouts or Bhagavad Gitas?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
Everybody can start reciting after me.
Mataji,
Okay?
I have my sloka papers.
You are new, Mataji.
Okay, so let's start a video.
Can you
Verse
spotlight?
number. Yes, beta. What?
Actually, everybody's coming in the screen. Can you spotlight?
Give few minutes. Yes, I will spotlight. Give few minutes. I am at the spotlight.
Yeah, you're at the spotlight. Okay.
Okay, so if I wait 1 minute, actually my laptop is available.
give me.
Okay, everybody. So let's start with verse number verse number 9. Indriyartheshu
Indriyadeshu
Indriyartheshu Lesha, beta, your hand is raised. Do you have a question, beta? Lesha?
Yes.
Yes, beta. Do you have a question, dear?
Oh, sorry.
Lesha?
She said no, sorry.
Okay, no problem. Lesha, I want to hear you nicely. Okay, beta? Please speak loudly. Repeat after me every word. Okay? Good job, beta.
Okay.
Everybody, please. Indriyartheshu vairagyam.
Mataji, what verse is this? Mataji,
Mataji, can you smile?
Mataji,
Indriyartheshu vairagyam. Very good. Indriyartheshu vairagyam.
Mataji,
Yes.
what
Yes.
verse is this?
We are on chapter 13, verse number 9.
Okay, Mataji.
Mataji,
Okay, can everybody? Yes.
can you spotlight yourself? You didn't spotlight yourself yet.
Sorry, beta. Okay. Can everybody please come on video call because I want to see everybody reciting after me, okay? I want everybody to be unmute and on video call. My humble request. So this class is a very short class of only 40 minutes. And in that 40 minutes, I am sure nobody is sitting in their night dresses, okay? So that's okay. Nobody is in their PJs. It's not an early morning class.
30 minutes.
You all have very beautiful faces, okay? You all don't have to hide behind the screens. Just come on video call, and that way I can see you all, okay? And if you all don't repeat after me, it will be difficult for you all to send the recordings. So please repeat after me, okay? Anahankar eva cha.
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 Very good. Janma mrityu.
Janma mrityu.
Maitri, please unmute. Repeat after me, beta. Janma mrityu jara vyadhi.
Janma mrityu jara vyadhi.
Tamagari, I cannot hear you. Come on, beta. You're just playing. You're just sitting and playing. I want to hear you nicely. Thank you. Janma mrityu jara vyadhi.
Janma mrityu jara vyadhi.
Janma mrityu jara vyadhi.
Janma
mrityu jara vyadhi.
Dukkha.
Dukkha.
Okay, next word. Please pay attention to me, okay? Doshanu. Darshanam. Doshanu. Darshanam. Doshanu darshanam. Doshanu darshanam. Janma mrityu jara vyadhi. Dukkha doshanu darshanam. Dukkha doshanu darshanam. Very good, you all got it. Indriyartheshu vairagyam. Indriyartheshu vairagyam. Anahankara eva cha. Janma mrityu jara vyadhi. Dukkha doshanu darshanam. Indriyartheshu vairagyam. Anahankara eva cha. Janma mrityu jara vyadhi. Dukkha doshanu darshanam. Job, all of you. Did everybody get it, or does anybody has a problem reciting? Anybody got it?
I don't have
Oh,
it.
amazing. Very good. Good job. Tanvi, one. Please, Janvi, come on the video.
Matuji, how do you pronounce the first letter of this shloka? The Indriya, yeah, that one.
Hold on, one Wait a minute. Who is speaking? First speaker.
Mataji.
Bhavya Mataji.
Who?
Bhavya Mataji.
Yes, Bhavya. What is your doubt?
So how do you pronounce the first word of the shloka? The Indriya Yata.
Indriyartheshu.
Indriyartheshu.
Because S has the dot, so it becomes sh.
Okay, Mataji.
Okay. There are certain
Mataji.
basics of Sanskrit. I taught all of these children in the beginning, but since more kids have joined, what I'll do one day I can teach all this again a little bit, some extra time. Okay.
Okay, Mataji.
Yes. So
Mataji.
let's go. Yes. Who is it?
This is Shama Gauri.
Yes, beta. Tell me.
Actually, after you repeat the sloka, after when you say 1, 2, 3, after we're done finishing the two slokas, I'm little confused what comes next in the slokas. So
I always take the first one, like today, like we'll do 9th first and then 10th first. I mean 9th first and then second will be 10th. Okay.
yeah, but it's okay if we do it one at a time.
What do you mean by one at a time?
Because sometimes, like when you're saying 1, 2, 3, I forget some of the lines and.
No, verse 9.
I
Just focus on verse 9. Whichever verse we are doing, just focus on that. Okay, beta?
Mm-hmm.
If you speak, you will get it. Okay? Just focus, pay attention. Okay? Okay, so we're going to go for verse number 10. Asaptir.
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 Anabhish.
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 Anabhish. Anabhish.
Okay, so I'm breaking it for you all to make it easy for you, okay? Anabhishwangaha.
Anabhishwangaha.
Angaha. Angaha. Anabhishwangaha. Anabhishwangaha. Asaptir anabhishwangaha. Okay, I see some children here yawning kids. Let me see. I saw a mouse with the tail going in someone's mouth just now. Who just yawned? Tell me. A big mouse will go in your mouth if you do not pay attention in Bhagavad Gita. Okay. Asaktir anabhishwangaha. Saktir anabhishwangaha. Putra dara grihadishu. Grihadishu. Putra dara grihadishu. Putradara grihadishu. Putradara grihadishu. Nityam cha samachittatvam. Okay, let me Samachittatvam. 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 Nityam cha samachittatvam. Nityam cha samachittatvam. Okay, we're going to break next word. Okay, it's pretty long. Okay, Ishtanishto. Easy. When you break it apart, it's easy. Ishtanishto. Papatishu. Yes, you all got it. So do you all see S as a dot? It becomes sha. Yes. Papatishu. Papatishu. No. Papatishu. Papatishu. Ishtanishto papatishu. Harini, are you getting it better? Harini?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, if you have a doubt, please ask me, especially newcomers. See, older children, they are used to asking me, but newer children, please do not hesitate to ask me. I'm here. I know, Leisha, your mommy was telling me that you are a very, very excellent reader. So I'm sure you can read all this too, right? Something
Yes,
new. Yes.
Actually, it's just a little bit hard, so I need help from my dad.
I know, but see, if you follow me and look at the words, you'll get it. You'll become excellent in Sanskrit, okay?
Okay.
Yes. Ishta nishto papatishu. Ishta nishto papatishu. Very good. Ishta nishto papatishu. Yes, Bhavya, you have a doubt, beta?
Yes, Mataji. So, when you were explaining the meaning of these shloka, I did not catch out like what does this shloka this word mean? The Ishta Nishtu Papatishu.
Okay, so it is actually separate. See, Ishta means desirable and Anishta means undesirable. So certain things might be, according to our favor in our lives. Certain things may go beyond our favor, right? Those conditions are not very desirable for us. We are not wanting, like kind of distress, right? Upapatishu. So having obtained those set of situation, one should still maintain the equilibrium. Okay, so it's almost like, there are certain shloka in second chapter which also talks about that doesn't matter like a sadhu or even a devotee is not supposed to be like too happy, become like if they get something, they become too excited and become too happy. And if something doesn't go according to their way, it's like we are too sad, we are completely lamenting. So simple meaning is we should be equipoised, right? Especially in devotees' life, Krishna's plan is there, right? There is always a bigger picture. Our focus should be always the lotus feet of the Lord, instead of becoming way too excited and being happy, and then after 2 days or 5 days, something problem comes up and we are way too in lamentation, or we are way too much sad. So we have to be equipoised, equilibrium, right? Because this is material world, happiness and distress is a part. So next shloka, actually tomorrow we're going to discuss a little bit more in detail what I'm telling now. That's why I didn't cover this part too much in detail, because it's coming tomorrow. Okay, so let's start. Asaktir anabhishwangaha. Asaktir anabhishwangaha. Putradara grihadishu. Nityam cha samachittatvam. इष्टानिष्टोपपत्तिषु Good job, everybody. Again, asaktir anabhishwangah. No. Vangah. Putradhara grihadishu. Nityam cha samachittatvam. Ishtanishtopapatishu. Harini, just wait for a minute or two. It might be okay. Sometimes internet goes slow and then sometimes it becomes fast. So maybe in a minute or two, it might be okay, beta. So let's go everybody quickly for recitation, okay?
Quickly go to repetition.
Yes, can everybody hear me clearly? Yes, perfect. So, let's go for quickly recitation, okay? Verse number 9, okay? 1, 2, 3. Maithili unmute, Janvi unmute, Harini unmute. Karthik, beta try speaking. I want to hear your nice voice. Shiva, Preeta, Shiva, right? Unmute, please. Vrinda, I see you. Vrinda,
Mataji.
I see you. How are you doing, beta? Happy to see you.
Mataji.
Yes, perfect. Yes. Who is it?
Shama Gauri on Saturday won't be coming to class because I
No
don't
problem. We don't have class on Saturday. No worries. Okay. Let's start. Maithili, unmute. 1, 2, 3. Good job, all of you. 1, 2, 3. Very good. 1, 2, 3. Good job, all of you. You all did amazing. Yes, Bhavya, no problem, beta. So we go on verse number 10. Everybody ready? Yeah? You all want to quickly tell me a poll what you all want to bake this time in the baking class? But nobody is going to speak. No, nobody is going to speak. Everybody is just going to send me in the chat right after this shloka. But not now. Not now. I said not now. Right after this shloka, everybody can send me a chat what desserts you all want to bake this time in the baking class. Okay, but right after this shloka. 1, 2, 3. Asaktir Getting it, very good. Very good. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Asakten
Last time everybody. 1, 2, 3. Good job, all of you. You all got it. You all are amazing. So now I'll give you 2 minutes only. You all can have your poll.
Mataji,
I'm taking vote for this time. No telling me. I just want to read quickly in chat. Otherwise, I cannot hear anybody. Everybody can write their choice. Okay, I see the cake. I see muffins.
Mataji,
Quickly, come on, fast. Just
Mataji.
1 minute.
Mataji,
Yes.
on Saturday I'm going somewhere, so I won't be there for some week.
No
for some
problem.
days.
No problem. Sure, no
But
problem.
Mataji,
Cake pops, cupcakes. My goodness.
How do you send Mataji? How do you send the chat?
Just hit chat and write brownies.
You can,
muffins, my
for
goodness.
me, it
I
doesn't
see
show me the
Varun.
send button.
You.
I want to tell something, Varun. Varun, I was just thinking just like you. So my thoughts and your thoughts matching, Varun. Okay? Give me a high five.
Mataji,
So I see cupcakes. I see
Mataji.
cupcakes. Oh my goodness. Wait, Shamagori, please wait for 2-3 minutes. Beta, wait. Oh, okay, so
Someone said
I see
candy.
so
How
many
do you make
cupcakes.
candy?
Lollipop. How
cannot
about
make a
instead of lollipop,
How do you make lollipop?
popsicles? How about popsicles?
Popsicles
Natalie will teach
easy.
us how to make lollipop. I'm sure if Natalie is writing how to make lollipop, she's going to teach us. Right, Natalie?
Mataji, Michael is going to teach us how to make lollipop.
Donut. Oh my goodness.
Donut.
Donut is a lot of procedures.
We have donuts. My dad made donuts.
I see
Mataji,
cupcakes.
recently my dad made donuts.
When is the
Yeah.
baking class? Because I never heard about it.
Is coming up soon, but I'm checking what all the children want to make. Jahanavi want lollipops. Oh my goodness. I also want, but somebody has to teach me how to make lollipop first.
Mati, there's some recipes online how to make lollipops.
Yeah, Natalie is going to
Natalie is a good
research, then we can
chef.
make it.
Okay.
Natalie is going to do that. Okay, Natalie, I will also look
When
into
is the
YouTube.
baking class? Because I don't know anything about.
No, it is not announced yet. Baking class will be coming soon. Wait,
we have to
cookies.
bake cookies
Okay.
or something.
I see cookies.
Somebody teaches us how to do it.
Popsicle. I see. I'm reading everybody. Okay, so we stop the poll here. That's it. Let's stop right here. I see majority of hands are for cupcakes.
Yeah.
Is everybody okay? We make some nice cupcakes. You all can have your own kind of
No,
flavor.
it's just
I don't mind.
Mataji Krishna.
I know Krishna keep doing it. I saw. Yes, I saw. He keep writing cupcakes. Yes. So
And Haridas
chocolate
too is also
cookies,
agreeing with
Oreo
cupcakes.
Swiss rolls. Okay. Do you all want to go with cupcakes?
Yes.
Yes.
Everybody okay with the cupcakes?
Okay.
Aditya, I know Aditya also wants brownie. You know what, Aditya? Even I'm thinking we should go for brownies because I know cupcakes everybody makes it, but brownie not a lot of devotees make, and I'm sure some of you might not even know what is a brownie because brownie is something.
Brownies are very good. Mataji, I've made Agnes brownies and they're super good.
Yes. Does everybody want to go with brownies?
Yes.
Yes.
No. Yes. No. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Okay. So we will leave it now for as it. I think everybody wants brownies except Krishna. That's it. Oh no. Okay, I see.
Yeah, I don't want brownies.
Okay,
Me
you don't want brownies. Okay, fine. Okay, so let me decide. Okay, maybe I can come up with something in between brownies and cupcake. I'll meditate a little bit. Instead of focusing on the lotus feet of Lord Krishna, I'll meditate on brownies and cupcakes tonight. Okay.
Instead we could make like a brownies in the shape of cupcakes. Like for
Yes,
the
that's even I was thinking. Yes, you all can actually make brownies in shape of cupcakes.
Yeah,
That way, everybody got everything.
yeah.
Yeah, Mandy, you want to say something?
Krishna gets us cupcakes and we get the brownies.
Yes. What, Mandy?
And brownies are basic.
to make.
Brownies shaped as cupcakes
wait,
are
wait.
basically chocolate
Yes.
cupcakes.
I agree to make brownies. Because
Yes,
it's a long time
yes.
I've tasted brownies. So I'll also make brownies.
Okay. I will meditate it and then I'll come up with something. Okay. So meantime,
Mataji, brownies shaped like cupcakes are basically chocolate chip.
brownies are little more. No, brownies are more harder than cupcakes. I know brownies. Okay, so we will think about it. I'll meditate since I know what everybody wants. And if not, then I have one more choice: popsicles. Popsicles, but not your regular the watery popsicles. They are made of Greek yogurt. They are actually very tasty.
I don't
Yes,
know.
Soumya, they are very tasty. Trust me. You have to try it. No making faces. Okay. Otherwise, we'll come up with something. Either brownie or cupcake. So
Brownies.
meantime,
Let's do brownies. Brownies.
Okay. So meantime, everybody, please send their recordings 1 to
We already
10.
made ice cream.
Okay.
Someone said ice cream.
Ice cream. We just had baking class for ice cream last time only. I remember.
Yep.
So yes, Brinda, I know brownies, right? Yeah, I'm also missing brownies. Okay.
Yeah,
So
me
let's
too.
control our sense of tongue, right? Let's try to get some good recipes. Let's offer it to Krishna and then we can all offer. Today we read about the sense control and
everything I get. I offer
Yes.
every single thing we get. I even offer cereal.
yes, of course we must offer. Yes. Okay. So everybody, please send me the recordings, and you all make sure that you all are repeating today's verses for 5 times before you all hit bed. Okay, so let me see who is the first one sending their recording. Can everybody have
Okay.
their mommies or daddies
Bye,
WhatsApp me
Mataji.
and send their recordings?
Krishna Mataji.
Bye, love you all.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Mataji, did you